massive aircraft transporting weapons for Ukraine, accompanied by F-35 fighter jets. F-35 warplanes began escorting military aircraft transporting weapons to Ukraine. Media and the Armenian Telegram channel reported that Azerbaijan may have started supplying weapons to Ukraine. Special military aircraft escorted by F-35 fighter jets. This demonstrates the fact that the pumping of Ukraine with weapons was carried out with the direct participation of the West and the United States. Another flight from Baku was escorted by F-35s to Poland with cargo to support Ukraine against Russia. There is a high probability that weapons and ammunition were on board, reports the Armenian Telegram channel, Republic of Artsakh. It is known that this was not the first flight. At the same time, experts believe that not only ammunition could be loaded, but also kamikaze drones, which were actively used by Azerbaijan during the Karabakh War, as well as Turkey's Bayraktar TB2 attack drone, which may not only belong to Baku, but also to Ankara. In addition, there are very serious concerns about information that additional air defense systems and even tactical missile weapons could be transferred to Ukraine. In Azerbaijan, there are currently no official statements regarding flights to the borders of Poland and Ukraine.